Hey guys, this is the video. We are here at the abandoned place. I'm excited to see what this brings us because there was a real truck over there, but
that's good because cars can't see us.
that is true. And oh wow, well let's just look around the base. We might be able to go in there. I don't know.
Yeah, I think that would be a good thing to do at the end, though.
Yeah, that yes. It's the middle of broad daylight.
Just a second, guys. Hunter, can you just look away? I kind of have to piss.
Okay, so let's freaking go. Oh wow, this place looks.
Okay, Hunter.
Oh, that trailer's off. That trailer's open.
Huh?
The trailer's open.
Ooh, let's go in.
Yeah, but not balls deep. And I kind of wanna.
Yeah. Oh, what's this? This is weird.
What the?
Fuck is that?
Hopefully somebody wasn't killed here. Okay, this is very sketchy.
That's some kind of piping.
This is. Oh wow, this is a very sketchy.
Holy shit, Hunter! I found a glass thing.
Oh.
So I'm gonna throw it at that. So.
Okay, be a bit quieter, but yeah. Other than that, okay, it doesn't really look like much.
What's this?
Oh, wait, is that open? Yo, Connor, come here. I think I found something.
Yeah, Hunter, what is that?
Come here. I think that's open. I think there's a door. I think that's open. Oh, yes.
What is it? Oh my god.
Come
That kind of reminds me of a garage. Does it remind you of a garage?
I mean, I don't know.
Okay.
Oh my god.
That's a fucking Pontiac Firebird. That's one of my favorite cars in Need for Speed Heat. That's insane.
Yo, guys, check this out. I'm gonna turn on my flash. This is the glass is completely shattered on this thing.
I know. Some homeless bastard probably did that.
Oh my god, I'm stuck. Oh my gosh.
Shit, it's like a water canister.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Yeah, it's a water
Beauty. This car is amazing, guys.
And I think I got glass in my shoe. God damn it.
Guys, this is amazing.
Hunter,
Yeah?
stand out of the way, bitch.
Okay, just don't make too much noise.
I'm gonna throw this into that.
God damn it. Okay, but... Okay, cool. Now let's not make so much noise, because I don't really want to die today. Okay, well, these... Connor, there are stairs.
I think, yeah. Those are the sketchiest stairs in my life, but
Yeah.
I'm not a pussy, so I'm gonna go up.
Tell me if it's worth my time.
These stairs aren't the worst, and what the hell is that floor? There is no flooring, it's just wooden planks.
Okay, this is very sketchy, but I'm gonna try it.
Can you just climb up and give him your flashlight? Just kidding, I'm not some pussy.
Oh, wow, you are right.
Hunter, I've just noticed something.
Okay, I don't really think this room is worth our time.
It is. I'm gonna guess it is.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, shit. Hunter, there's like an open window, and this is a room. And it has actual flooring. Come with me.
I don't really want to drop my phone.
Come with me. It's so cool.
I can see it.
Who the hell threw a car door out of the window?
Lol.
Someone threw a car door out of the window.
That's pretty sick.
Whoever did that must be a really cool person. Because that's a pretty difficult thing.
Anyway, so,
Hunter, can you show your flashlight at me?
oh my god.
I'm going down.
There's a graffiti. What does that say? 369. Okay, that's pretty cool.
Shine your flashlight at me. I'm also hearing weird noises.
Oops. Here.
Okay, I think I got it down. And I'm hearing weird noises, Hunter. It's like it's a weird rotating metal pipe ball.
Right now I do not hear anything at the moment, so. Okay, well this was pretty cool, but
We're in different areas, so that makes sense.
but I
Ooh,
say
it's scary.
this so far this is pretty cool, but I don't really want to waste all of my all of this YouTube video on one room. So let's keep going. Let's.
Hunter, I just
Okay, I
want
can't.
area leads to another area.
I don't wanna.
Look, Hunter.
Yeah, what? Oh! You're right. I'm gonna shine my flashlight in it.
Holy shit, that looks
Oh
like a
wow. Yeah. Okay. Well,
combination of random areas. Let's look at this.
I definitely wore good clothing for this, except
I
for.
would- I came here with wearing shorts and a tank top, so I'm not as much.
Okay,
But I'm not
weird
gonna get
tools.
tetanus.
Weird tools. Okay.
Hopefully,
A bunch of lawnmowers. Oh my God! There's a color. There's a color. Connor, there's a color.
Ooh,
That looks like an old Chevy. That is an old Chevy. I know colors very well.
that car looks like a muscle car but with a giant hood.
Oh, that's kind of sketchy. Ooh, what's over here? Oh, I don't really want to go that way though.
Hunter, there's a propane tank. Should I throw something at it?
No, maybe. So I guess. This is. Oh, that feels weird. I don't like that. Oh, guys, take a look at this. Look
And I
at
don't
that
think we can make
engine.
it- Oh, it's a lawnmower. Pull the cord.
Look
Nothing
at the
happened.
engine. Ooh.
There's a Hunter. Look, there's a lawnmower.
That engine
I'm
looks.
gonna pull the cord and nothing happened.
Okay. Oh, there's a few cinder blocks and Well, I don't know what that is. I don't know how that got in here, but anyways, let's keep going. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off my flash.
Hey Hunter.
Yeah.
Hey Hunter.
Yeah.
Cinder block.
Oh shit. Okay. Anyways, guys, let's keep going. I'm hearing a bunch of crickets. Which.
I don't think crickets are human.
Oh wow! Somebody opened this up. Wait. Wait.
Oh shit.
Wait, Kona. Somebody opened this up for us. That's kind of nice. A bunch of crickets. I do not like crickets. Let's keep going, guys. Also, I'm pretty sure that there was quite a few poison ivy plants. So I don't really want to get poison ivy today. I'm gonna try to avoid everything. Connor, I'm hearing things.
Hunter, why are you doing the reverse thing?
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Connor, I think I hear noises, but just like keep it.
How long have you been in the reverse thing? I just want to know.
What do you mean?
Like, how long have you been in that reverse thing? Do you know?
The back camera?
Yeah.
The whole time. That's me. Yeah, I guess.
So the whole anything.
Nope.
Okay. Like the
I
viewers,
showed.
I mean.
Yeah, they did. Holy shit, you're so fucking autistic.
Okay. Anyway, so Hunter.
Lana plus ASAP? Cool.
Yeah, it's an interesting thing. It's
Okay, yeah, okay, let's like be a little bit more quiet now. Oh shit, that is definitely something else. Okay, well, this is something else.
Hunter, why don't you next time notice something that you do? Follow me.
Okay. Oh, that open garage thing? Okay, yeah, I actually really am excited. I actually really wanted to go in here, but it looks pretty sketchy.
Okay, I have a thunder question.
Okay, hold on. I kind of want to check out this LRV first. Oh, it smells like ass.
Just a question.
Weird.
Would you rather be homeless?
Oh,
or
is that a
live in
beehive? That's a beehive.
What?
That's a beehive, but it's like destroyed.
Good. If you don't
Okay,
know,
well that was a quick. It's okay. Well that was
I hate these. If you guys don't know.
that was a quick exploration. Now it's over with. Okay, okay. I really please be unlocked. Shit. I don't see anything. Okay, I'm gonna quickly try to go in here. Oh yeah, I am. Oh shit. Let's try to get. Oh my god, I should really have gloves for this. Oh my god, what the hell is. Okay, I'm definitely turning on my flash.
Okay, guys, I'm in.
Oh, what? Okay, there's a door. I really want to see what's behind it. Is this?
A ladder, but I don't know if we should climb up it.
Yeah, no, we shouldn't. That looks very odd.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, this door actually opens. Well, let's go in it then. Connor, you won't believe me.
Another car?
Yep, another color. This is that a? Oh, this is a jump starter cable.
I just realized I think we might be able to get in too.
I mean, maybe. I don't know yet.
But guys, want to see some badass climbing still?
Let's just. Oh wow, this car looks like it's. Oh, this car looks awful.
But
Anyways, oh my god, there's a fucking sawmill. On. Let's turn it on.
well, it doesn't
Oh, it doesn't. It's not plugged in. Who would have known?
but I mean, if we
I wouldn't be surprised if this place still had power. Okay, oh shit.
oh, look, it's a book. Well, fuck books. Books are for nerds. I'm gonna put it in the sawmill.
Oh, the door's open. Connor, the door's open. I literally just realized that now. I don't know how I just realized that, but the door's open.
And that thing up there looks like a.
Okay, I'm gonna put my flashlight inside the car. Yeah, guys, this is what.
I'm sitting on top of it.
I'm literally on top of the car right now.
So am I. Oh, what's this? This looks like a trash rapier.
Also, I'm gonna turn off my. Yeah, this is. Oh my gosh.
I feel badass standing on top of a massive thing of things with this like rapier-like thing.
Yeah,
So cool. I
true.
feel like I'm some badass duelist who's about to fuck someone.
True.
With my sword and
Oh my
bed.
god, how the hell do I get down? There's a building right there. Okay, I'm gonna take a piss quickly.
Okay, so just don't mind. So this is the second piss for us, both of us in total.
Yep. So guys, that looks interesting over there. There's like a platform. And yeah, other than that, there doesn't really seem like there's much else to explore in here. Sadly, I think that is it. But give me that ladder, Connor.
Yeah.
We could go to that ladder, but I did see something.
Yeah.
I think I saw a door.
Oh,
So I say we go in that door.
that sounds like a good idea, Hunter.
Yeah, let's go. Let's get the fuck out of this because I feel like this car's gonna break in half.
Yeah.
God knows how old this car is. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh,
It
God.
feels like a 2000 car. It feels like a.
Oh
It
my
feels
God.
like a mid 2000s car. Don't you agree?
Yep.
So that car is like a couple years older than me then.
Yeah, this car's definitely from like 2004, 2006 or some shit. This is like a mom van.
Yeah.
Yo, those are video games. No cap, those are video games.
Let's see.
But those look like they're for like the Xbox 360.
And we don't have X. We are PlayStation people.
Yep.
Honestly, they're the same goddamn thing.
I'm not. Yeah, true. The only difference is Xbox doesn't make you pay for Wi-Fi. Oh my God, this is a tight fit. Oh shit! I do not know how we're gonna get. Oh my God, Connor, how the fuck are we gonna get there?
To what?
To there. I can see the. Yeah, that's a door. Look at that door, guys.
Yeah, that's a door.
But how the fuck? Oh, okay. I might have an idea.
Just a second.
Oh wow, that is loud.
No, not really.
Okay, I'm gonna just stand on these random boxes and I hope that they'll keep me safe. Connor, it has stairs. It has stairs. There's a window. Oh shit. Oh shit.
That's supposed to being a big crash, right?
Yep. Oh my God, this is not a nice fit. Let's go up these stairs.
Oh, that's a pretty
Oh my God, this floor is falling apart, guys. Look. Yeah, I'm gonna.
butt hunter.
I'm basically. Guys, there's a room. Connor, there's a second floor. Oh my God. Oh, that's what the ladder leads to. Oh my God. Toys. Things. Oh, these are videotape players from like a long time ago. How old is this place? Yeah, this floor is not secure. Connor, are you good? That looks weird. That thing there looks pretty weird. Okay, guys. Oh my God, there's a sink. And there's a little floorboard. Oh, that's a charger.
Hunter.
Holy shit.
So this is where the ladder would have led us.
Yeah, the ladder's right there. So, okay, I don't know what we would have done, but... Okay, so I think that's all. I don't really want this floor to snap with some weird-ass toys, but let's get down and let's get out of here now. Let's maybe record some shorts. I don't know. But guys, please like and subscribe. If you're still here, that would be massively appreciated. We are potentially risking our lives for this video.
Yeah.
So a like and subscribe would be really nice. Show your appreciation. I'm going to turn on my flash because I can't see shit. And wow, this is interesting. I do not know how I'm going to get out of this fuck show.
Yes, I agree. That sounds like me with my life, am I right?
Oh my god, that was not the easiest task, but we got it done. Oh my fucking god.
Crack smoke corrected. I don't actually smoke crack.
Well, you hit me in the fucking face, so why the fuck are you so stupid?
Because I have a low IQ.
Oh my god, just stop.
It was just a one-time dose.
Yeah, you.
You know, not gonna throw anything at you again. Ah, fuck! I think I got tetanus.
Yeah, you better not throw anything at me again.
Okay, I'm not unless I do.
I just threw a piece of glass at him for revenge. Anyways. Oh, he thinks he might have got tennis. I didn't. Which is pretty nice. Yeah, pretty nice. Anyways. Oh, there's a stairs. I wonder where those lead to. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go up them. But yeah, guys, anyways. Oh, oh my god. Never mind. There are a bunch of weird bugs up there. Yeah, that color looks interesting. But yeah, guys, so this is the abandoned place video. We might do more of these in the future if we feel like it. There is a Lang leather factory that's abandoned. So if I do go, then I'll take you guys with me. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot about that. I don't know where Connor went, but I'm sure he is fine. I may have gone a bug bite, guys. I don't know, but I kind of want to go in there. I'm going to peek my camera through it. I'm probably not going to go in it, but I just want to peek my camera through it. Turn on my flash. Oh, well, Connor's making some noises. Poke my camera in here and... Well, what do you guys see? I'm not going in it. I'm just letting the viewers see. I just heard a weird snake sound. It sounded like... But anyways, I'm sure everything's okay. Okay, well, guys, this is the end of the video.
Yeah. That's whatever.
Please do not try this at home.
Try it at home. Who cares?
Well, if you do try it at home, then do it at your own risk. But just be kind of careful. And just know that this is dangerous. So, okay, guys, that's it. Peace out.
Just a second.
Like and subscribe.